Okay, guys, enough chatting. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Natural family. And I took a while before I come and grace you all with my presence, but I'm here. So remember to like, share, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family that them know Natural is well. Yeah, so today is Saturday and we are cooking soup. It's very late as usual, but let me show you guys what I'm doing. Right, guys, so I just cook my soup real simple. Carrot, pumpkin, right? This is what I just use to get the color of the soup. I don't use any culinary, any butter, none of them things there. And here we have Irish potato and sweet potato, my favorite. I put in some water and some salt so it will turn now. And we had the flour, the flour for dumpling. Although watch how it needed. Please don't laugh at it. And then we have the chicken foot. I like real chicken foot in my soup. So guys, that's it. That's all the ingredients. Oh, and my Maggie, a mustard Maggie chicken soup, of course, and a little hot pepper. It bakes, so it won't be really spicy, so it won't be hot now to get the food a nice little flavor. So guys, cook with me. It's Saturday. Let's go back and party. Share, like up the thing, or you follow me on Instagram, please. Like, please follow me on Instagram, Natural, at Natural, normal thing. Or you'll see me there, I think more than YouTube. So link me on Instagram. Okay, let's cook. Right, guys, so here you'll see me now pouring in the seasoned chicken foot in the pot here to get all the gravy inside. And now I'm filling it with some water for it to boil. Yeah, man. So guys, my chicken foot boiling here. See? When I start to get a little fatty, I will put in now the carrots and the pumpkin. Right? On to the next step. So guys, I'm now sifting the Maggi chicken soup. I don't want the noodles to get in. I see that it's just a little seasoning at this time now. Yeah, shake it. Cause if you put in the noodles now, it will be too soft. It will get like pop, sappy. So we don't want that. So we just, using the seasoning to flavor the pot right now. I learned that on YouTube, I used to wait till last to put it in, but thanks to YouTube now. Oh God, thing falling in, man. Oh gosh. Right, what I'm doing here now is just mashing the pumpkin up. As I said before, the pumpkin allows it to get a soup color now. The kind of yellow orangish color. So that's all I'm doing now, mashing up the pumpkin, making sure all is mashed up and everything is mixed well. Gosh, boy, if you smell this thing, Right, guys, so you see the beautiful color the pumpkin gives the soup. I know some people use split peas and stuff, but I don't really care for all those things, so the pumpkin just works fine. Now, I am putting in the sweet potato because it takes a little longer than the Irish potato to boil. So I'm putting in all my favorite sweet potatoes. There they go. Stir it up, mix it all up in. Yep, and that's it. Cover she back. So guys, the sweet potato was boiling a little while, so now it's time for the Irish potatoes. So the same way, put it all in, and mix it up. See the sweet potato done looking like it ain't cook yet, but it's almost there. Go wash my chicken foot now. Damn. So guys, it's dumpling time, yeah? You're rolling out them dumpling with your hand, to make some nice little small dumpling. Saturdays are coming, change your ways. Okay guys, I can't stop fretting. Anyway, we rolling out this dumpling here. Little dumpling, eh? Little, you see? Just a little thing. Not a big fat dumpling in your pot. Roll it, gal. Roll it. Little dumplings. I will never ever change everywhere I go. Never ever change everywhere I go. So guys, everything is in the pot. I add a little pimento. One thing I didn't show you guys that. Sorry about that. But anyway, everything is in the pot, including the hot pepper. So we cover it back.